So, good evening sir. My name is Steve Daniel Larantakon Mingkilian from BSMT3 Betelgeuse. This is my video explanation on final written exam. One is identification. Number one, it provides basics for ensuring the management systems are also driven by customers' needs for continued process by shipping company. Three, specification of minimum standard for competence or for seafarers with designately security duties. 2. Specification with minimum standard of competence in security awareness. 4. ISO 9001:2015 is an international standard which specified requirement for any environmental management system. 5. ISO 1400:2015 is an international standard which specifies the requirement for an environmental management systems that an organization can be used to enhance its environmental performance. 6. Mandatory minimum requirements for the training and qualification of masters, officers, and ratings and oil chemical tankers. 7. Chapter 7, Management for the Safe Operation of Ships and International Safety Management Code for ship owner and operator is described clearly. 8. Safety of the people on board, safety at the ship, and cargo and safety of environmental. 9. Safety management is an organizational function which ensures that all safety have been identified, assessed, and satisfactorily integrated. 10. The objective of the safety management is to prevent human injury or loss of life, to avoid damage to them and to the property. 11. International Safety Management Code is on the aforementioned required regulation in maritime industry. The objectives of the code is to ensure the safety of life of sea, prevention of human injury or loss of life, and avoidance of damage to the environment, in particular to marine environment and property. 12. Recognizing that two shipping companies of ship owners are the same and that ship operates under a wide range at different conditions, a condition to be based in general principles and objectives, including Part A implementation and Part B certification and verification. 13. Regulation speaking, the convention contains basic requirements which or they change upon explained in the code. Part contained in the conventions are separated by section in the STCW code generally. Part A of the code is mandatory, the minimum standard of the competence required for seagoing personnel in the given in detail in series of tables. Part A of the code is contains recommend guidance which is intended to help implement the convention. The code was established to set certain minimum international training standards for professional mariners. Number 14, the International Convention for the Safety of Sea, SOLAS, is an international marine which sets minimum safety standards in the construction, operation of merchant ships. The SOLAS Convention in the basics is one of the three most important pillars of the international instruments, regulations, matters relating to safety and pollution prevention. 15. International Convention Standard of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarers 1978 sets minimum qualification standards for masters, officers, and personnel on seagoing merchant ships on large yachts. So in test 2, we have here the meaning. ISPS is the International Ship and Port of Security Code. International Convention Standard of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarers 1978 sets minimum qualification standards for masters, officers, and watchpersons of an seagoing merchant ship and large yachts. 13. Means of certificate other than or certificate of the competency issued to a seafarer under the authority of the administration. The certificate takes that the requirements of training, competency, seagoing service under the STCW convention has been met. 4. Cornerstone of the maintaining the proper proper safety culture in the marine vessel, managing business and applying principles framework process to prevent injuries and to minimize other risks. 6. International Convention on Standards on Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarers. International Convention on the Safety of Life at Sea. 8. International Standard for Safe Management Operation of Ships. 9 is an organization function which ensures that all safety risks have been assessed and satisfactorily investigated. 10. A combination of chemical and trash which comes from land sources and washed or blown to the ocean. And last is the task 3. We have here 1 to 5. Personal survival techniques, firefighting and fire prevention, elementary first aid, personal safety and social responsibilities, proficiency in security awareness. 6 to 9 is global impact assessment, economic impact assessment, cultural impact assessment, and social impact assessment. And 10 to 14 is to promote safety of life and property at sea, to promote marine environment, advanced firefighting or proficiency, medical care proficiency in medical case, radar and ARPA simulator training. That's all, sir, and have a good day.